So today I'm going to show you how I do my go-to balm powder routine. So let's go. So I first start off hydrating my skin. I'm going in with Danessa Myricks Beauty Oil. I have more normal to sometimes dry skin, so you want to make sure your skin is good and hydrated before applying the balm powder straight to your face. And because I can be extra, I'm going in with her Yummy Glow Serum just for some added hydration because, you know, we can't be hydrated enough. So now I'm going to go in with Balm Powder Shade 6 and I'm going to tap, tap, tap. And then I'm going to tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. And as you can see, balm powder does all the pore blurring, all the covering of everything, but doesn't take away your shine. But I'm going to be oil controlled all day. Now I'm going in with shade 5 and I'm going to use that to apply on all the areas that would normally apply concealer. And this is why you need multiple shades of balm powder. And yes, you can set the balm powder with some regular powder. So I'm just going to apply a little bit of Danessa Myricks' Evolution Powder in shade 1, right where I applied shade 5 of the balm powder. Let's bronze the skin with shade 8 of the balm powder. And we're going to use shade 8 on the eyelids as well. And this is my finished look. How do you balm powder?